Hey everybody, guess what time it is? It's 4:30. Just kidding, it's design time. In today's video, I might be talking about things that you already know about staging because I know in the past I have talked about pretty specific staging tips or staging mistakes. This is going to be what I believe are the 5 basic or standard things you can do to your own home before putting it on the market. So this really isn't anything about artwork or furniture placement or accessories. It's more of the main things that you can do yourself. Let's get to it. I don't think I'm going to put these in any particular order, but I'm going to start with declutter. I'm sure I've mentioned this before, but it is very important to get the clutter out of your house. You can find a place for the excess stuff in your house. Some people put it in their garage, but I would recommend actually renting a storage space if you have that much stuff, because people are actually going to be looking in your closets, if they're serious about buying your house, in your garage, in your cabinets, to see how much space you actually have, and also because they're nosy. I would say the best way to describe clutter is just the stuff that you see that has no function or isn't aesthetically pleasing. So that's the first of the 5 basics for staging. The second is to depersonalize. So basically, you're going to declutter and depersonalize because your house is too cluttered and personal. And what I mean by depersonalize is just take down any of those vacation pictures on the wall and any sort of, I don't know, hobby. Like if you collect Cupid dolls and you display them in a china cabinet, not everyone is going to appreciate your love for these rosy-cheeked dolls. So put them in a box and save them for when you move into your new home. There are ways that rooms become too personal simply with taste or color or the furnishings. You want to create a neutral space so that potential buyers can imagine themselves in that space. And sometimes they don't want a room dedicated to Purple Rain. I do. Okay, this next one probably should have been first, but clean your home like you've never cleaned before. Scrub the place down. I'm talking windows, baseboards, clean your entire kitchen, all the bathrooms, just get the dust out of there. There's something to be said for squeaky clean. People like that. It makes your home look newer, believe it or not. I have actually staged vacant homes, nothing in there, no clutter, nothing to depersonalize, filthy. They want me to put my furniture and accessories in a dirty home, and either I will do my best to clean it up or I will delay the actual staging so that they can get somebody in there beforehand, because it makes a huge difference. And this comes to number 4, because I mentioned wash your windows. Well, clean windows bring in more light. And that's a very important part of showing your home, is you need to let the light in, open all of the windows, turn on all the lights, and just make sure that people can see every part of your home. That's another reason to clean it. I guess just think of it as like photography. You don't want to take pictures with poor lighting or no lighting. In fact, my lights here improve the way that I look. So lights in your home will improve how that looks. Make sense? I didn't have to tell you that, but it's true. So the 5th and last basic staging tip is you need to stage your home where it counts the most. And a lot of people say kitchens and bathrooms sell a home, which is true. But what people really want to see and will pay the most attention to is 3 areas. That would be the living room, the dining room, which includes the kitchen, and the master bedroom and bath. Those are the three main viewing areas in your home that need the most attention when preparing your home for sale. Now, I've made sure that these 5 basics are something that homeowners can do on their own to improve the chances of a fast sale and getting the price they want, meaning that you really don't need anything but yourself to, oh God, let's go over this. Declutter, depersonalize, clean it from top to bottom, bring in the light, and stage where it counts. All can be done by one person. It will take a long time, but ask for help. Yeah, isn't that why you had kids? So when I say stage where it counts, that means apply the first 4 things that I told you, especially if your time and efforts are limited. Concentrate on the 3 main viewing areas: living room, dining room, master bedroom, and bath. So that's it. Hopefully I showed you some nice pictures throughout this video, because this is not helping you stage a house. This is. Anyway, if you guys have anything to add to that you think is super important to do before you put your house on the market, let us hear it in the comments below. Well, let us read it. And if you have any questions, just put them down below and I will do my best to answer. Otherwise, that's it for this design time video where we talked about the 5 basic things you can do yourself to prepare your home for sale, staging wise. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. I'll see you next time on Design Time. Bye.